Hey folks, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss the notion of parent and child supply and demand. The term parent and child is a term that I use very frequently to help me understand the relationship between areas of supply and demand. And I like to use parent and child because, as in families, you have parents and children and they're related, and essentially we have supply and demand and these are also related, and so it just makes perfect sense to use this terminology. So if we look at this area here, for example, that I have marked off, this area here is a what? This is a child area of demand. And why is it a child? Well, it's a child because this is actually a reaction to this down here. So the real demand is down here and this is a reaction to it. And so a lot of people would say that this is a nice area and it looks like a nice area because price left forcefully, but this is not. This is accumulation at demand. So you'd actually move that down here like so and get yourself a better entry. So this is actually where the demand is, and this is a reaction to the top of this area of demand. So price went up, we started to accumulate orders to do what? To move price higher. So the buyers are located from this low and low. So this is where you target to buy once price came back, which you did over here. We look up here, what do we have? Well, here we have a lot of children in here, and you can see this because the price kind of comes down, goes sideways, comes down, goes sideways, comes down, goes sideways. This is a little bit messy. But what we do have up here, we have a pretty clear area here. This is not reacting to this. This is simply price leaving, retracing a little bit, and then moving away. And so this here is a nice fresh area of supply. And so we can expect price to have some kind of a bounce at this area. That said, always mark off the high of your area and go to the smaller time frames like a 50-minute or a 5-minute and have a look and see if there is anything that it's reacting on. And lo and behold, we have it right here. You see this? So this is the parent and this is the child. So this is no longer a parent, this is a child, and it's reacting to this micro supply that we have just up here. And so what does that mean? Well, that means you do not want to sell until price reaches the price of at least the highs of this retracement here. So the sell zone starts here and it goes up higher. So this is where you would look to start to sell. So we mark that one off. Let's have a look at this one here and see if there's something in there. We go to the 50-minute chart. We'll have a look. You can see this here is not doing anything. This is nice and fresh, as you can see. Let me remove this. And so price came up and we left very quickly. We pulled back and then we started to sell. So I mean, this is a nice area of supply once price tests it. Once it's been tested, we have essentially an area of supply that is no longer fresh. So this was a fresh parent, there's a continuation pattern, and then price left. So now it's lower probability to trade at this level compared to the first time. So now we'd want to look higher. We have this area up here. We mark that off. Let me go to the smaller time frame, we'll go to the 5-minute and have a look. See if we have any parent-child relationships in here. And we'll see what's going on there. What do we have here? Well, we have this. Where's the candle that left? It's this one. This green candle here left. This one here. And so everything above that is accumulation to do what? To drive price lower. And so price, excuse me, it went up, kind of moved sideways a bit for a while, went between this low and this high. So we're in this kind of range here. And then this is where price broke away. So you want to focus above this. And if I look here, I can see very nicely, very clearly, we have this area here. This is a very nice move lower, just here. We have this one here, which is also another area. These are 5-minute areas, so these are small. And above that, we have this one just here. Okay, and so this here is a parent and this is a child. So this would be the one, the better one to trade this one here, because price came down, we accumulated, we came down, we poked up, we fed into supply, and this is where price released from. So this is a supply, this is a reaction to supply. Cool, I'll leave it at that. If you have any questions about this or want me to cover a topic similar to this or another topic, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.